In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional CV using just ChatGPT and Sora. So first of all, go to ChatGPT, tell him this message. I want you to ask me multiple questions about me. Then using the answers, write a prompt for Sora that can generate a professional CV for the job that you want, or you can just leave it general. After that, add any detail you want. For example, leave a spot for the picture, I'll add it manually later, and add any detail you want. For example, the colors, the style, the size of the something. After that, send the message. Then he will give you some questions. Tell him to ask you one by one. Then he will save the answers. So make sure to answer every question carefully. Do not answer it the way that I do. I was just throwing answers so I can show you that it's working. And yeah, so when you get to this question, make sure to answer it carefully. What CV design style do you prefer? Choose one from the ones that he suggests. For example, modern, clean, minimalistic, or the one that you want. Or for example, you like a certain CV on the internet, you can add it to Sora when you type the prompt and tell him, based on the picture that I sent you, generates me a CV using the infos or the prompt you wrote with ChatGPT, and he will generate you a CV that looks like the one that you like but with your infos. That's amazing, right? So answer this question carefully and add as much as detail you want. So after you answer all the questions, he will give you the prompt. So copy it. Now we switch to Sora, paste the prompt and add an image if you want, and change the aspect ratio to 2:3 so you can help the AI. Then click in create image. Wait a couple seconds and this is the CV ready. You can add your image, and if you want a PDF version of it, you can use the website I Love My PDF and change the CV picture to a PDF file. And this is it, guys. See you next time.